Are you looking for the best bandsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bandsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Lumberjack Professional BS-228-9 Benchtop Bandsaw. Coming from the same UK firm that makes the impressive 10 inches freestanding bandsaw, Lumberjack also make a decent benchtop version. Their BS-228 benchtop 9 inches bandsaw is ideal if space is at a premium, or you're only going to work with smaller pieces of wood. There's a 300-watt motor under the hood that powers the 1,575mm long saw blade round at 635 meters per minute. The maximum cutting capacity for height is 90mm and has a throat that's just under 230mm in width. That's an impressive capacity for what is a small, benchtop saw. The table is made from reasonably heavy gauge cast aluminum and features cast aluminum wheels as well. Lumberjack have also managed to make this bandsaw run rather quietly, which is always a good idea. The soft start mechanism helps to keep the vibration and noise down as well. For the money, this is one of the best bandsaws available right now for hobbyists. It might not have all the bandsaw features and premium materials used in a proper professional saw, but it's much less expensive than one of those. Up next in the 4th place is the Einhell TCSB 200/1 benchtop bandsaw. The engineers at German brand Einhell have been busy making innovative tools since 1964. They've branched out into 18V equipment recently but are better known for their benchtop gear. The TCSB 200/1 bandsaw is the brand's benchtop saw that's ideal if you don't have the space for a freestanding one. It's an easy-to-use, quiet, and incredibly versatile woodworking tool. The power comes from a 250-watt motor, which is more than enough for a small machine like this. It whips the 400mm long blade round at a lightning-fast 400 meters per minute, which makes it ideal for fine woodworking, straight cuts, or curves. To get the most out of the saw, you can tilt the table from -4 deg, 45 deg, and the aluminum fence can be adjusted across the width of the table. The locking mechanism for the fence is operated with one hand. It means you can cut accurately down to just a few millimeters from the blade. Thanks to big rubber feet on the base of the saw and a heavy base, the vibrations are kept down to a minimum. If you've never had a bandsaw in your workshop, you'll be amazed at what you can do with a tool like this. I think that for what it costs, it'll be one of the best additions to your woodworking arsenal. The 3rd product on our list is the Lumberjack Professional 10-inch bandsaw with leg stand. British tool firm Lumberjack have been making waves in the DIY scene in recent years for their affordable yet quality kit. Their 10 inches bandsaw is a hugely capable floor-standing woodworking machine that can tackle seriously big bits of timber. Setup is relatively easy, although you might need to tinker with the blade guides before it will cut straight and true. Supplied with a steel stand, everything is solidly welded together and should be incredibly rigid and reliable. Kitted out with a 375-watt motor, it's not as powerful compared to the Axminster Craft AC1950B, but it's still got enough grunt to tackle big bits of material. In fact, you can cut materials up to 150mm in height, and with a throat of 254mm, there's a lot it can handle. The table is slightly bigger as well. This bandsaw is a serious heavyweight as well, coming in at a massive 43 kilograms. It'll need a dedicated space in your workshop and a strong section of floor as well. You can choose from 2 different blade speeds, 400 and 800 meters divided by minute, which gives you a bit more versatility than most benchtop models. Second on our list is the Axminster Craft AC1950B floor-standing bandsaw. Based down in Devon, Axminster have been one of the leading names in woodworking tools since they started more than half a century ago. Famous for their solid own-brand tools and legendary customer service, the Axminster AC1950B is probably the best floor-standing bandsaw on the market today. The table is made from thick cast iron. It's thick enough to be completely stable and rigid, and Axminster have machined a 19mm wide standard miter slot into it to receive your own jigs and gauges. The included rip fence is an excellent bit of kit though, supplied with accurate measurements on either side of the blade. It's locked into place with one handle but still feels solid. Thanks to the oversized construction of this bandsaw, it can cope with rather large workpieces. You can cut timber up to 135mm in height, and the maximum throat size of 260mm is the widest on my list. Changing the blades is no big deal either. Thanks to Axminster positioning the blade release channel on the side of the table, you can swap blades without needing to remove the rip fence. Weighing 39 kilograms with the steel stand and large 550-watt motor makes this a heavy addition to any workshop, but the extra weight should help to keep things steady. You can even select between two blade speeds, 660 and 840 meters divided by minute. Finally, the top product on our list is the Axminster Craft AC1400B Bandsaw, coming from the same Devon-based wood wizards as the big AC1950B. This is Axminster's best benchtop bandsaw. The Axminster Craft AC1400B is a capable but compact bandsaw that can cut odd shapes of timber in ways that other saws just can't. Even though it's a small 8 inches bandsaw, it still takes a 400mm long blade. Powered by a 250-watt direct drive motor, it's fixed at a cutting speed of 800 meters per minute. It's got a decent maximum cutting capacity of 800 millimeters in height, but the 200 millimeters wide throat is the joint smallest on my list. It's not bad for light benchtop bandsaws like this machine though, weighing just 20 kilograms. This is an ideal saw for a small workshop where space is at a premium. You can always store it out of the way when it's not needed, in comparison with the big Lumberjack 10 inches bandsaw that needs to sit on a large stand. Even though it's a small bandsaw, you still get a sturdy cast iron table and a solid spine. This makes it a robust and accurate saw, even though it's in a small package. And at 300 x 300 millimeters square, the table isn't undersized for a benchtop machine.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.